Good good night, good afternoon, or good morning, or the time you're watching this video. Today I'm going to explain you my network laboratory practice 2. Let's start. What we have here, we have the um, project creation of a new to make a ladder in where I'm going to explain you what we are watching. This image called project creation. Uh, in this lab work, we started with the creation of the project in the portal. This initial step crucial as it lies the foundation for all subsequent development. We set up the work environment and defined the basic parameters of the project. Well, basically what I say is here we are creating a new project. Well, what do we have here? Here we have the selection of the controller in module needed. Well, here is we select an appropriate controller in the necessary model for the automatic control cell. This selection was based on the system specification and the requirements of the actuators we were going to handle, as well as looking at the manual to see the direction of the components in order to operate. And here we're choosing what we needed. Well, in this image, I can explain you both points. First one is a PLC PC connection, and I mean the connection, the connection to the PLC virtual connection to the PC, and the IP configuration. First, I'm going to explain you the IP configuration. In this part, we proceeded to configure the IP address of the controller to ensure proper communication between the PLC and the PC. This step is essential for data transfer and controller programming, although in our case it was not necessary since the PLC is connected to the computer via Profinet. Well, another part I think here that explains very well with this image is the PLC virtual connection to the PC. That we established the physical and the logical connection between the PLC and the PC. We used the necessary cables and configuration to guarantee stable and effective communications, and it was discovered that the automation cell operated with an older version and the TIA portal is more up to date. So we were marked with an error in the simulation. Well, next I'm going to explain you both another image that we have here, the ladder logic. That is how he is the ladder logic, and is what we program in down, and you also can see the I forgot how to say this part. The where actually I don't know exactly what the in English is called, but in Spanish I know them. That is the oh no sorry, I already knew. It's the table builds, the bulls tables, and well, in Spanish is tabla de variables. Actually, I don't know the name in English, but it's called that way. And here we have the ladder of our program, of our code. Then here we develop the ladder logic to control the three actuators: the conveyor belt, piston 1 and piston 2. Although we elaborated the ladder diagram in the bulls table, we found an error that prevent the activation of the components directly in the cell. What mean the physical PLC. Uh, However, the simulation did not make errors. And to finish this presentation, I'm going to explain you the virtual actuator manipulation. Um, Here we can see that all the PLC and the simulating is going good. Is working. And something I want to tell you about this part, with this type the error we showed our instructor to the virtual manipulation of the three actuators. The step demonstrate our understanding of the system and our ability to develop the necessary logic. Although we did not achieve physical activation of the component. Although we didn't um, achieve the physical connection of the companies. We didn't on the virtual um on the virtual practice that we make. And that was all. Thank you for watching this video and listening to this presentation. I hope you understand what we did.